Here, we're being asked to find the equation of a tangent line, or sometimes it's called the normal line, to a curve. So if you've got a curve, the tangent line is going to be the one that just barely touches it at a certain point. They're giving you the point and they're giving you the curve. The only thing we need to remember is that the slope of the tangent line is the derivative. So we've got a point. If we have the slope, we can write an equation of that line. So what we really need to do here is take the derivative of this function, evaluate it at x equals -2 to get the slope, and then write our equation for the line using that information and maybe the point slope form or something like that. So let's start on this one. Let's take the derivative. So that's going to be -4x to the third plus 14x, and that -7 goes to 0. So there's our derivative. Now let's figure out the slope of that tangent line at -2. So I put in -2 here. That'd be -8 times -4 would be 32. And then this would be -28. It looks like 4. So m equals 4. And then we have our x and our y coordinate. So I'm just going to write an equation for the line, putting in x and y, those values in for x and y. So we're going to use y equals mx plus b. We know m is 4. I want to solve for b, so I'm going to put in 5 here. I'm going to put in -2 there. And so that's going to be -8, so b is 13. So now I've got my slope and my y-intercept. I can just write y equals 4x plus 13. Let's try one more. All right, so again, we're going to take the derivative first, plug in the x value to get the slope at that point, and then figure out the equation of the line from there. So the derivative is, let's see, 3 times -2 is -6x squared plus 8x, 3 disappears. And at 2, we've got -24 plus 16. So that is going to be -8. Okay, so our slope is -8, and then we've got this point 2, 3. So I'm going to fill in this formula. So with 3 in for the y value, 2 in for the x value, we'll solve for b. And we've got 3 equals -16 plus b, so b equals 19. And our equation for our line then is going to be y equals -8x plus 19. All right, well, so that is how to find the equation of a tangent line.